Hi, my name is Selim and I'm 12 years old. I used to think that cooking was something adults did, but then I discovered the Rainbow Chefs Academy and everything changed. Learning to cook has been so much fun, and the best part is that I get to make healthy meals that taste amazing. I never knew that healthy food could be so delicious. Rainbow Chefs Academy is awesome and teaches how to use different kitchen tools, how to read recipes, and how to mix flavors and ingredients. I've made so many dishes already and I'm just getting started, and I know it'll be a skill I'll use for the rest of my life. If you want to learn how to cook healthy and have fun while doing it, I definitely recommend Rainbow Chefs Academy. It has been awesome to me and also a really good experience. And I know it'll be a good one for you too.